In today's world, the manufacturers are encountering the following issues: low productivity, breakdowns, operations changeover, reduced machine speeds. The above challenges are impacted due to machines need to be connected to collect data at right intervals, limited or mismatched communication protocols between and from the machines, legacy machines which needs retrofit with the upcoming technology, vast data available but difficult to interpret for decision making. To address the above challenges, equipment data needs to be collected, recorded and presented for analysis. OEE IoT device will perform this function. Importance of IoT devices to drive OEE. IoT devices help manufacturers to improve their OEE with detailed understanding of equipment through instrumentation, connected devices like sensors, and data analytics. Connected equipment continuously transmits data to a central location. By processing and analyzing the data, predictability of system productivity and efficiency can be managed using the IoT device. Introducing mTracker and DRAMOS. Elpis mTracker devices comes with built-in GPS, digital I/Os, battery enabling, to track the real-time information of the machine's status and to monitor its performance. Elpis device helps the production to understand the current status of their assets in real time by identifying percentage of manufacturing time, downtime, idle time, available time and output quantity the machine produced. The goal is to improve the machine maximum utilization. The data logged can be seen remotely through a graphical dashboard DRAMOS, for further process and analysis through various data models. Advantages of implementing OEE using IoT: complete visualization and monitoring of process and operations, data for optimization and for further planning and maintenance, lower maintenance costs and greater equipment availability. Warning in advance about the machines. Predictive maintenance to reduce downtime. To get most of these benefits implementing OEE using IoT, use Elpis mTracker.